What's up, Bryant fam? And today I'm gonna be making some slime, and yeah, I'll see. And today we're gonna be making some slime, and I'll see you when I get the stuff ready. Okay, so I'm back, and I got the stuff. So first, you're going to need is something to put your slime with, a mixing tool, and swap kits. Yeah, swap kits. So, let me put about...
What's happening, Samantha?
Hold up, I'll show you guys
Our plan is to undermine the so-called president
how much I put, like, how much... So, this is well, this, you only need swap kits, and yeah, so I just, for some reason, stirred the swap kits when I poured in. For some reason, I don't know why, but
if you drones still
like you're supposed to stir it.
8 in 10 people qualify for the monthly premium, making their healthcare more affordable. I signed up. Burn it down. Yeah.
Okay, let me show you guys the slime.
Between November 1st and December 15th, join us. Even if you're relatively healthy.
That's the slime. And you know what it is. Okay, you know what you guys. Okay.
Where did you even get it back?
There's the slime.
Wednesdays at 10:30 on TBS.
Okay, and you're gonna like stir into it, like get bubbles in. And you guys don't laugh at me because I have a toothbrush, because I have a old toothbrush. Don't mind, I'm just changing my toothbrushes out today. And today is Monday. Yeah, Monday. Wait, is it? No, today's Tuesday because I went to gym today at school, so yeah. And I'm sorry that if you can hear the like TV because I'm in my room. So I want to ignore all that back there. I might just cut that out. I don't know. I might forget some. I'm just gonna add a little bit of more swap kit because I want a little more slime. Just to let you know. So. Oh, and you guys, I'm not gonna be all the videos slime, but I'm gonna be making slime on my videos, and subscribe to me. And yes, I'm a new YouTuber, just saying, and yeah, I'm gonna be taking you guys on field trips with me and everything. Yeah, so, wow, I'm really stirring, okay. And this is gonna be refrigerating for guess how many nights. And I can't believe it, but I've tried it before. And this is my recipe, like literally my recipe that I made up. That's how many nights you're gonna have to leave it in the freezer. You're gonna have to guess. Guess down in the comments, because just guess. I want you to guess so bad. But no cheating. No cheating. Before I even say it. Now what umbrella? Oh, I found it. 5 nights. 5 nights. Or you could just do it 4 or 3. You could do it 4 or 3. That's your option. 4, 4, 4, 4. 4! I'm saying that a lot of times just in case you guys don't remember. Okay? 4, 5, and 3. 3, I would do. 3, I would pick 3 because that's like literally more quicker and less. And you cannot do it for 2 or 1.
Someone else's house, Santa. Enter promo code FREEPIE on your next order at
or you could do it like for...
Nature's Bounty Lutein Blue helps protect eyes from damaging blue light. Filtering it out to help you...
If you want, you could do it for 7,
or
6,
just put
10, any kind of thing. But don't do it at 10 because that'd be like...
Nature's Bounty Lutein Blue. Because you're
like
better off
freaking... freaking. Okay, and I'll be right back because I forgot one thing. Alright, you guys, never mind. I didn't,
It's the same food. Oh, is it? Look
Oh,
at this. General
forget
Tso's
anything.
chicken is no longer listed under specialties. It's now under chicken.
So?
Yes, General Tso.
still stirring and literally starting to thicken up. And this is optional if you wanted a color. Okay. Oh, and this, I forgot. It is, baby rub that you, like, literally put on babies. Like, okay, let me open this. Like,
For all we know, the mobster sauce contains actual chunks of deceased mobsters.
like,
No. I think it just means it's the kind of sauce that mobsters like. It doesn't mean any of that. It's a type. Let's just get a pizza.
Good idea. We'll go to Corleone's.
and you just put the baby rub in your,
You know, the more I think about it, the mobster sauce couldn't possibly contain chunks of mobster.
but this is not working yet. I'm just
Why is that?
putting the baby rub in there because, like, the baby rub is kind of
Slept with the fishes.
a little bit liquidy. And yeah, that's how my legs look. And I'll be right back. I'm still stirring up. Oh, and you guys, I forgot. Did I tell you about giving you baby rub to put in the slime? Because, yeah. And I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. And no, I did not add anything to the slime. I swear to God, I put that on the Bible and the cross. Well, wait, I shouldn't say that on the cross because I don't want to put it on the cross. I hate putting it on the cross.
I saw on his lapel he's got a purple heart.
We started talking about the service.
Oh my God, it's broke.
Meals on Wheels reaches so many people. It's impactful beyond anything I've ever done
Bitch,
in my
not a
life.
chica.
Meals and his friendship really means a
Hi.
lot to me.
Through the Subaru Shared Love event, we help deliver over 1.7 million meals to those in need. Get a new Subaru and we'll donate $250 more.
Put a little love in your heart.
Okay, you guys.
Look what's on that spoon for baby. Trace it back to here for baby. This whole organic farms for baby. New clean field farming.
I'm gonna end this video because you guys, I just tricked you. I'm gonna have to do this for 3 nights, and
Tiny sword.
A lamppost.
yeah, I'll be right back. I forgot something. Okay, you guys, I'm back. So
Search Party. 2 all-new episodes. Sunday at 10 on TBS.
you know how this gets on my nerve. Like, you know how people like they make slime and they never show their faces. Well, that's why I'm showing my face so you guys know who I am. Down in the comments, I want to know, what is your favorite slime? Basically, my favorite slime is possibly every slime in the entire world, but not every slime in the whole entire world. Like, I love every slime.
I bagged some evidence. One of the thieves had the audacity to quench his thirst while ransacking.
And
you should be able to pull some good prints off this. And now here are my prints, so you can.
You guys, this actually did work.
What about me? I'm sorry, Leonard. It's too early.
But if you want to, you can freeze this. But I am because I want this to work. Okay, I'll see you when I got this at the freezer. You guys, I put it in the freezer and it's very cold and possibly, tell you the what.
Oh my goodness, where do I begin? For instance, my laptop contained 4 out of the 5
this was a fail.
necessary for a cogent restatement of the quantum measurement problem.
I do not recommend you doing this. But if it works for you, tell me what I did wrong. Just tell me, and I'll probably do it over again.
Come on, Bosco.
Bye.